Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Alex here. As you all know, recently MAS just banned Binance in Singapore, and it's not just Singapore actually. It's around the world, Thailand, Malaysia, Germany, etc. So I believe this tutorial can help many of you watching, not just in Singapore. In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer your crypto asset from Binance onto an alternative platform, which is Coinhako. Alright, Coinhako is something that I've been using for quite a while, so I trust it. Anyways, first thing first, head over to Coinhako. Alright, create an account, whatnot, and this would be the page that you see. In order to receive your crypto asset from Binance, what you need to do is head over to the crypto that you want to transfer. Let's assume you want to transfer Bitcoin, okay? Click on Bitcoin and then click on the receive button over here, and you will see your wallet address, and then click on this little icon here and your wallet address is copied onto a clipboard. Okay, that's the first step. So same thing, if you want to transfer Ethereum, head over here and click on receive Ethereum and etc. So before I move on, something to take note, not all crypto can be received on Coinhako for some reason. For example, Polkadots, okay, you're unable to receive. Okay, but no worries, I will list all the crypto that can be received on this video description below. Okay, you can check that out. So once you copied the wallet address, head over to Binance. Okay, so on Binance, as you can see on the bottom right, click on the wallet icon, find the crypto that you want to transfer. So in this case, it will be Bitcoin BTC. Okay, click on Bitcoin BTC and then click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, that's where you paste your wallet address, which you have copied earlier. Okay, then they ask you to select the network and whatnot. Okay, what I suggest is you can transfer a fraction of your asset first and see if you go through and see whether you got the right network or not. And once you successfully go through, you can transfer the remaining funds or assets. Okay, so let's head back to Coinhako. Okay, so once you have transferred from Binance to Coinhako, okay, you can head over to the crypto itself to check it out. Alright, and the quantity of the Bitcoin should be updated once it successfully goes through. Okay, it might take a while, so be patient. Yeah, so let's say you have received your Bitcoin already. How you're gonna sell it is literally click on the sell button. How many percent you want, 50%, 100%, or you type in manually. Okay, if you have any promo code, can apply and then click on sell. Okay, so once you have sold it, okay, next thing it will feedback on your wallet over here. I've blurred my wallet for confidentiality anyways. So click on the bottom down, okay, withdraw, add your bank account details, confirm already, and it will turn out something like this. So select it and type in the amount you want to transfer into your bank. Okay, and preview withdrawal, etc. Just follow. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Any questions, drop a comment down below, and I will leave my referral link in the description below. If you want to use it, feel free to do so to support the channel. And with that said, take care and I'll see you.